So if you log into your Canva and you discover that any of your project or design is missing, then it must have been deleted. Many a times you didn't delete it yourself and you just cannot explain how your folder got deleted. So in this video, let me show you how to restore your deleted project in your Canva app. So what you want to do is to log into your Canva app, then come to where we have trash option here. You can see the trash option here. I can assure you that your files or your folders or your designs is actually in this trash option. Then you click it. So you can see here, this is my trash here that my project are displayed here. But in your own case, you might not be that lucky, but I can assure you that your project will be here. So but if you don't see it in the design here, you want to check the image. So you can see under the image option there are some trash here as well. So as you can see here, I have all the deleted folders here, and if you did not find it here as well, you can want to check your video as well. So but in my own case, I don't have any video deleted, so I'll just come to anyone. Let's go back to my design. I'll come to anyone that I want to recover, then I'll just click on it. Let's say I want to recover this now. So when you click on these three dots, you can see the restore option here for you. So you go ahead and click on the restore button. You can see it's no longer here, it has been moved back to my project. So all I need to do here right now is to go to my project option here. Come to your project. So I want to check it, and I hope that my project has been restored to my project section. So you just come to this place and look for the one you have restored, right? So mine, I'll have to look at it. If you didn't find it here, you want to check this. Look at the recent design. Look at it here. See, I want to open it. So you wait for it. So you can see this is it here. So that is how yours will also happen. So let me know if this works for you, and if it doesn't, let me also know in the comment section, but I am very sure that it's going to work. So please, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to help to share it, because obviously there are several Canva users that this particular information will be good for. And if you want to get more digital marketing update and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, so do that now and hit the subscribe button, so that when next I release my video or I publish new update like this, you will be the first to see it. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.